Hello everybody, welcome to Math Terms. Today I'm doing geometric multiplication with arrays and landmarks 1. So let's get into it. So it says
Build an array that represents the product of 446 times 364.
so we're trying to find or build an array that represents 446 times 364. So over here in this area we're trying to find or move these boxes to make these numbers. Well, how are we going to do that? Well, first let's start with 90. So, I'm just going to ask you guys this question if you guys know. Do you guys know what 90 times 4 is? I'll just give you a few seconds to if you don't know what that to figure it out, and then we'll move on. Okay, so 90 times 4 is 360, and I did a geometry video, and if you didn't see that, go check it out after this video. And we showed you what a full rotation is, and what a right angle and perpendicular line is, all that. So a right angle is equals 90 degrees. It equals like this, 90. And a full rotation, which is 4 times 90, is 260. That's a cool way to remember it. So it'd be, so we would do 90 times 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 446 and 364. Well, since this is equals to 360, we only need to do it 4 more times. It'd be 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have 446, so it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4. And what would we do now? Well, let's just see what 400, what 300, let's see what 360, 300, okay, I can't seem to do this. This thing is a little bit less darker color, okay. Let's see, 364, not 64, 360, because that's what 9 times 4 is, 90 times 4, and then let's add it by 90. That would equal 450. So if it equals 450, so if 1, 2, 3, 4, let's do one more time. Well, that's over 446. Well, they don't only have where you can add. You can also subtract. So then what would we do? Well, 450 minus 4 equals 446. So all we have to do is minus it by 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I don't know if you can see it, but I did it in this little area this area right here is where I added and subtracted and added. You can see that. Now we're just gonna push the check mark. Let's enter the total that of the values represented on the right. So they already broke it apart and got all the answers. So all I have to do is add 1,162,000 plus 1,800 minus 1,440 minus 16. So that's quite a lot of work. So what I'm going to do is pull up a Jamboard, and I want you guys to solve this too on your own and see if you guys can get the answer. So actually I'm just going to solve it right here. So we have 1,600, 162,000, 1,800. Takes a while to write all this out. And then we have, let's add those up first. So we have 0, 0, and then 8, and then 3, 6, and then 1, and subtracted by 1,440. 1,440. It takes a while to write this down because using a keypad on laptop. So if we minus 0 by 0, that would be nothing. And then, well, what about 0 minus 4? Well, you can't do that. You can do 10 minus 4. So take 1, 10 from this, and then we move it over here. That becomes 10. 10 minus 4 equals 6. Now we have 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 equals 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. And then we have 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 equals 2. And then 6 and then 1. So the minus 16. 16. Okay, so we have 10 minus 6 equals 4. And then 5 minus 1 equals 4. And then we have, so our answer would be 1, 6, 2, 3, 4, 4. 1, 6, 2, 3, 4. 1, 6, 2, 3, 4, 4. And then we move on. Okay, to make this short, I'm just going to really fast do this one, and then I'll explain it after. So we have 60. So 3, and then we have 1, 1, 2, 5. Okay.
One side correctly represents 181 but the other side needs to be adjusted to 117. It currently shows 125.
Okay. So sorry about that. So yeah, it shows 125. So we have to minus it. So this 60. So 60 times 2 equals 120. So that means we will have to minus it by 3. So I did it this way by 5. But it's actually supposed to minus it, not add it. Let's push check. Alright, so 21,600. I'm just gonna pull up a Jamboard right now. Jamboard. Okay. So we have our Jamboard, which is a big help. So 21,600. 21,600 plus 120, 120. Add these up. I know it's sideways. So I'm a little bit sideways right now. So we have 2, 7, and then 1, and then 2, 7,720. And then minus 540. 21, 7, 20 minus 120 minus 120. Well, that would equal, that would be back to 21,600. Oh, okay, so actually it would be minus 540. Sorry about that. So minus 540, 540. That would equal 6, 1, and 1, and then 2. Cute. Minus 3. So it'd be, so our answer right now is 2, 1, 1, 8, 0. So we minus that by 3, and that would be 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. It would be 2, 1, 1, 7, 7. Yep. Okay, so let's check. So we have both an array that represents a product of 95 and 252. So we just do 50 plus 50 equals 100, and minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 252, so we just do 50 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we add 2 to it. 1, 2. And then we push check. And then 2,000, 25,000, 1,000 minus 1,250 minus 1,250 plus 200 minus 10. So, okay, so that be, so 23750. Okay, now we're going to add that plus 200. That would equal 23950. 23950 minus 10. That would be 23940. The answer is 23940. 3940. Let's okay. Taking a while to load. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. And we have a question. It says, did you like this game? And I rated a 5-star. And it was fun. I'll just put these. And then we're going to move. Okay, so please subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when another video pops up. And I'll see you guys next video. Bye.